So HiFi means high fidelity. So I'm drawing the block diagram of HiFi system. First block is preamplifier. Second block is equalizer. Third is amplifier. This amplifier is the post amplifier or also the power amplifier. The last is matching. This is the direction of signal flow. This is the speaker. So this is channel number 1. Similarly, there are two channels. Left channel and right channel. And this is the balance control. left speaker, right speaker. Is this block diagram visible to all students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the word fidelity means faithfulness. So HiFi system means high faithfulness. Means the sound you are giving as an input faithfully will be produced at the speaker side. Okay. So what should be the characteristics of HiFi system? Means every HiFi system must possess this characteristic. If that system has this characteristic, then it is known as high fidelity system. So first of all, the first characteristic that signal to noise ratio of the system should be very high. Signal to noise ratio of system should be high. The next is the frequency response should be perfectly flat over the entire audio frequency range. If this tape playback is playing the lower frequency, then this lower frequency should be amplified, should be produced faithfully on the speaker side. As well as if the microphone is playing very high frequencies, then all the frequencies should be amplified with the same range as the low frequency to the speaker side. So frequency response should be flat. म्हणजे प्रत्येक फ्रिक्वेन्सीला फेथफुली त्याने आउटपुटला प्रोड्यूस केलं पाहिजे. The system should have non-linear distortion 0. The systemच्या आउटपुटला distortion हे 0 प्रकारचं असलं पाहिजे. The system should have high dynamic range from almost 0 dB to 130 dB. The system should be capable of giving sense of direction to the listener. This will help the listener identify the relative positions of different sound sources in the original program. So this should be the characteristic that must be possessed by the HiFi system. So what is actually the HiFi system works? So I'll explain brief that whatever sound is selected by the selector switch. If suppose this switch is towards this tape side, then both the channel will select the sound coming from the tape side. So both the channels will play this. Both channels will play the tape recorder sound. So pre-amplifier, what it will do? It will amplify the signal coming from tape recorder. Equalizer will control the bass treble gain of that sound. Amplifier will improve the power of that audio signal because your output should be given to the speaker. That's why the power of that signal should be very large, as well as the matching network. I have already told you the practical that your output should be connected to the speaker, which has input resistance of 8 ohm to 16 ohm. Okay, so whenever maximum power transfer is to be taken place, the impedance of two devices must be matched together. So impedance matching network is connected. So the same which is for left channel, the same is processing done for the right channel. So both the channel processes the sound in the same manner and sound is given to the two speakers. Okay, if the selector switch selects the disc play, okay, so for both the channel, the input from disc, that is your CD or DVD, will be given. If microphone is connected, then whatever person will speak, that will be given to this HiFi system and it will process the sound. Okay, so in this way, preamplifier does the function of preamplification, equalizer controls bass treble gain, amplifier controls the power of the sound so that it should be given to the speaker. Speaker हा large power for sound play करतो, त्याच्यामध्ये त्या सिग्नलची power increase करणं गरजेचं आहे. That's why amplifier is used and impedance matching for the maximum power transfer between two devices. ओके, म्हणजे amplifierचं sound स्पीकरला जाण्यासाठी impedance matching करणं गरजेचं आहे. So impedance matching is done over there, and this balance control, if sound coming from left channel should be increased, then this balance will be shifted towards the upper side. If the right channel output you want on more side, means intensity of right channel should be more, then at that time you will improve the balance of right side. Okay, so this knob will be shifted upward or downward, and accordingly the sound will be changing. Is it clear? HiFi amplifier. Is there any doubt in HiFi amplifier working? आवाज येतोय का?
येस सर.
त्याच्यामध्ये काही डाऊट नाही ना हायफाय सिस्टीम मध्ये?
नो सर.
So we'll list out the controls that are available on the HiFi system. The HiFi system वर कुठले कुठले कंट्रोल्स असतात? The first control is balance control. जो आपण बघितलं लेफ्ट आणि राईट चॅनल मध्ये ज्यावेळेस बॅलन्स करायचा असतो, दोन्ही स्पीकरचा आवाज हा सेम ठेवायचा असतो, त्यावेळेस हा स्पीकरला हा कंट्रोल काम आहे. करेक्ट? बॅलन्स कंट्रोल, दोन चॅनल मध्ये बॅलन्स करण्याचं काम. देन लाउडनेस कंट्रोल म्हणजे साऊंडची इंटेन्सिटी जो कंट्रोल करतो तो जो कंट्रोल आहे तो असणार आहे loudness control. Then third, obviously bass and treble control. Bass and treble control, obviously the equalizer does this function of bass and treble control. Master gain control, it is actually in this power amplifier part. When suppose you want to increase the sound intensity, loudness control is different and master gain control is different. So overall volume adjustment is done with the help of master gain control. The gain of the amplifier connected to both channels are adjusted using the potentiometer. या दोन जे काही amplifiers आहे, त्या दोन amplifier मध्ये जे काही ट्रान्झिस्टर आहे त्याचा गेन चेंज करून तुम्ही जो येणारा साऊंड आहे त्याचा व्हॉल्यूम तुम्ही कंट्रोल करू शकता, व्हॉल्यूम इंटेन्सिटी. Okay, then next is blend control. Now blend means what? We have studied the stereophony and monophony. We have studied stereophony and monophony in unit number 1. Stereophony means natural sound, ज्याला दोन चॅनल असतात. मोनोफोनी मीन्स सिंगल चॅनल, ज्याला एकच म्हणजे तो साऊंड जो आहे तो नॅचरल नसतो. तर ऑब्व्हियसली याला दोन चॅनल असल्यामुळे हा साऊंड काय नॅचरल साऊंड आहे. सो ऑब्व्हियसली हिअर when we have to convert this two channel sound into single channel sound, म्हणजे स्टिरिओफोनीचा मोनोफोनी मध्ये ज्यावेळेस तुम्हाला कन्वर्ट करायचा असतो साऊंड, त्यावेळेस हा ब्लेंड कंट्रोल यूज केला जातो. ब्लेंड कंट्रोल काय करतो, एक चॅनलचा आवाज पूर्णपणे बंद करून टाकतो आणि स्टिरिओफोनिक साऊंड हा मोनोफोनिक साऊंड मध्ये कन्वर्ट होतो. So these are the major controls that are available on HiFi system. Is it clear? The controls that are available in HiFi system. काही डाऊट नसेल तर पुढे जायचं.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll see the public address system now.